Here I have Nokia G50, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, you have to open Play Store, then tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Device, Updates Available, and here you can see all of your unupdated apps. So you can update them one by one by tapping Update button next to them, or you can just tap Update All and update them all at once, but it could take some time. So you can decide how you want to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.